Good morning. This is Veera Reddy, lecturer in computer, Government Degree College, Sattapalli. Today, my topic is Java, fundamentals of Java. First one, Java essentials. Java is a high level language. Java has a bytecode, Java virtual machine. These are all the Java essentials. Java process of completion, process of converting bytecode into machine code. Features of Java. Java compiled and interpreted, independent and portable, object oriented, robust and secure, distributed, familiar, simple and small, multi-threaded and inheritable, high performance, dynamic and extensible. Java Here are the features of Java. Java compiled and interpreted the program, independent platform, and it is a portable. It is object oriented like C++. In object oriented programming, we have inheritance, polymorphism. Here we are robust and secure, distributed, familiar, simple and small, multi-threaded and interactive, high performance, dynamic and extensible. Here compared and interpreted. Usually a computer language is either compiled or interpreted. Java combines both these approaches. First, Java compiler translates source code into bytecode instructions. First, here a computer language is either compiled or interpreted. Java combines both these approaches. First, Java compiler translates source code into bytecode instructions. Bytecode are not machine instruction, and therefore second stage Java interpreter generates machine code that can be directly executed by the machine. Java is both compiled and interpreted language. Here usually basic languages are They have only either compiled or interpreted. Java combines both these approaches. Java compiler translates source code. It generates the source code and it translates source code into bytecode instructions. Bytecode are not machine instructors, and therefore second stage Java interpreter generate machine code that can be directly executed by the machine. The Java interpreter generates the machine code. Java is then the machine code can be directly executed by the machine. Java is both the compiled and interpreted language. Next, Java programs are portable. The platform of Java programs are machine independent and platform independent. Though the machine and platform are independent. Here, portability, machine independent, portability, platform independent. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented program is a method of creating program which is the collection of different objects. Here, object-oriented program is a it is a method of creating program or method of writing a program which is the collection of different objects. You may take different objects, they are in a collection that can be written as a program that is called as the object oriented program. Every problem is solved by identifying and creating an object. That means every problem is solved by identifying and creating the objects. Here, every problem is solved by identifying and creating object. What is an object? Anything that has following two characteristics is termed as an object. Anything that has following two characteristics, state and behavior, is termed as an object. The state and behavior are the two objects or characteristics of the object. Real world object. Suppose here we see the state and behavior. Here anything that has following two characteristics, anything, you may take any example that have two characteristics, is termed as an object. Here we have two objects, state, and there are two characteristics that are state and behavior. Here real world object are car. The characteristics are state and behavior are current speed, current gear, number of passengers allowed, number of seats is available, color, maximum speed of the car. The behavior of the car is change the gear, apply the brakes, accelerator, turn right and left. Here we are taking a car. In the car we have two characteristics of the object. Here object is the car. Here current speed and current gear, number of passengers, color of the car, tires of the wheels of the car, these are all the state. The behavior, change gear, apply brakes, accelerator, turn the vehicle is the behavior of the object. This is the object. This is a object and we have following characteristics are termed as an object. State and behavior. Here real world object, here we are taken real world object radio. State on, off, current value and current station. The behavior is turn on, turn off, increase the value, decrease the value, tune station. This is the real world object. Here also we are taken the real world object. This is the another example. Here once again you see here state on, off, current volume, current station. The same we have a buttons here, but behavior is the operations of the object. Turn on, turn off, increase the volume, decrease the value and change the station. This is the object. Java is an object oriented program. You have to learn what is an object. The problem solved by identifying and creating an object. Here what is an object here? Everything, anything that has followed two characteristics that are turned as an object. State and behavior. To taken the two example, car and radio. Next one is the what is a class? A class is the template for an object. Class is an template for an object. Here, before creating an object, you have to tell what properties and methods are there in an object. Before creating an object, you want to create an object. You have to decide or you have to tell what properties and methods are there in the object. What properties and methods are there in the object. It is the class which will tell that what properties and methods are there in the object. This is the class. A class is the template of an object. Here, creating an object, you have to tell the what properties and methods are there in the object. Then here what is the class which will tell that what properties and methods are there in the object. Same, to create an object we have to tell the properties and methods are there in the object. Then it is a class. If it is the class which will tell that what properties and methods are there in the object. Here you see the difference between the object and the class. It is a class is the template, just a template of an object here. Then we have to create an object. We have to tell properties and methods of there an object. Okay, then it is the class which will tell that what properties and methods are there in the object. Okay, then robust and secure. Java programs are robust. No error will occur during the execution of the program. Here, this is a secured programming language. That is the reason the Java language is using number of companies and number of people and in different areas. No errors will be occur in the execution time. This is the reason. Due to execution handling, all variables must be declared. Local variable must be initialized. Array bounds checking. Here int my array int 5 index 0 minus 1. If you will access 7th index, the program will generate exception. This is a robust. See in the class. Then robust and secure. Java programs are robust. No error will occur during the execution of the program. Here you are seeing the robust. Due to execution handling, all variables must be declared in anywhere. Local variable must be initialized. Array bounds checking. Here index the program will generate exception. Here index is equal to 0 minus 4. Int my array single dimension array is equal to int 5. Here create an index. The next one is the secure. The Java programs are secure. It is very difficult to write incorrect code or various that can corrupt tell your data or human hardware, harm hardware. The Java programs are secure. It is very difficult to write incorrect code or viruses that can corrupt, steal your data or harm hardware. There are no pointers in Java. The applets cannot do file input and output. Here the Java program are secure. It is very difficult to incorrect code or virus that can corrupt, steal your data or human hardware, harm hardware. There are no pointers in Java. The applets cannot do file input and output. Java is designed as a distributed language for creating application on networks. It can ability to share both data and programs. Java application can open and access remote objects on internet easily as they can do in local systems. Here Java is designed and distributed language for creating applications on networks. We have to create an application, that application language. The Java is designed by distributed language for creating an application. It can ability to share both data and program. It can ability to share the data and programs. Java applications can open and access remote objects on internet easily. As they can do in a local system. Simple, small and familiar. Java is a small in size, simple language. For example, Java does not use pointers. In C language, also object oriented language, C++ object oriented language, but in C++ we are using pointers. Here we are not using the pointers. Preprocessor, header files, go to statement and many others. Java use many construct of C and C++, and therefore Java code looks like a C++ code. In fact, Java is a simplified version of C++. Almost Java is also a simplified version of C++. Java uses many constructs of C and C++, and therefore Java code is look like C++. Here Java is simple, small, because Java does not use pointers. Preprocessor, header files, go to statements and many others. Preprocessor in the C and C++, files, go to statement, they are all in C and C++. Many construct of C and C++, and therefore Java code is just like C++. It is, in fact, Java is a simplified version of C++. Next, multi-threaded and interactive. Multi-threaded means handling multiple tasks simultaneously. That is multi-threading. In a Windows operating system, that is called, I think, multitasking. Here, multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Java supports multi-threaded programs. Example, we can listen to an audio clip while scrolling a page and at the same time download an applet from a instant computer. In Windows operating system, same, we are using multitasking. Here in Java, we are threaded. Java supports multi-threaded programming. Example, you can listen to an audio clip while scrolling a page and at the same time download an applet from a instant computer. High performance. The problem with interpreter inside the JVM is that it is slow. Because of the Java programming used to run slow. To overcome this problem, along with the interpreter, JavaSoft people have introduced JIT, just-in-time compiler, which enhances the speed of execution. The problem with interpreter inside the JVM is that it is slow. Because of this, Java programming used to run slow to overcome this problem. Along with the interpreter, JavaSoft people have introduced JIT, just-in-time compiler, which enhances the speed of execution. Dynamic and extensible, the last one. Java is a dynamic language. Java is capable of dynamic linking new class libraries, methods and objects here. Java is a dynamic language. Java is capable for dynamic linking new class libraries, methods and objects. Here it is a dynamic language. Dynamic linking dynamic linking also, new class libraries also, methods and objects also. Java is accepting dynamic and extensible. First, we seen Java Essentials, JVM, Java features. Here we seen the compiled and interpreted. Java compiled and interpreter both machine independent. Next one is platform, machine independent, platform independent. It is a portability, Mac OS, Windows OS, Linux OS. Here machine independent, here portable to platform independent. Object oriented, here object. What is an object? Object have state and behavior are two characteristics. We see in the real world objects two examples. And then what is a class? Class is the template for an object. Here class which will tell that the properties and methods of there is an object. Robust, no errors will occur during execution of the program, and due to execution handling, here exception handling, all variables must be declared, local variable must be initialized, and array secure. The Java program secure is very difficult to write. Incorrect code. There are no pointers in Java. As distributed, simple, small and familiar, multi-threaded and interactivity, high performance, dynamic and extensible. This is the last topic. Dynamic language capable for dynamic linkages and class libraries, methods and objects. Okay, thank you for watching.